COX Internet Self-Install Guide. Just receive your COX self-install kit and want to get your internet running without scheduling a technician. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you how to install fully your COX Internet so that you can start using your internet quickly and without errors. So first off, of course, to begin, we need to unbox our COX kit. So the kit should include a COX approved cable modem or gateway, power adapter, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, and a quick start card. Then you just find and locate a working coax wall outlet in your home. Choose the one that is closest to where you want your modem to stay, and then connect the coax cable from the wall outlet to the cable port on the modem. Plug the power adapter into the modem and into the wall. Wait for the modem to power up. This takes about 10 minutes. And then you just wait for the online lights. COX modems typically show solid white or solid green lights connected. Then flashing lights, still syncing. If it keeps flashing for more than 15 minutes, verify the coax outlet is tight on both ends. And then if you have a separate router, take the Ethernet cable, connect it from the modem's LAN/Ethernet port to your router's Internet/WAN port. Power on the router. If you're using a coax panoramic gateway, skip this step. And then the final step is going to be looking at the side or bottom of the gateway or router for network name and password. Open your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect normally. And then to activate, you need to type in cox.com/activate. Has to be a dot instead of a comma, like this. You go to this address or something similar, and in here you can activate it. Also, essential notes. If your home doesn't have an active coax outlet, COX may require a technician to enable the line. Panoramic gateway models show a solid white light when fully online, and also older COX modems may need a firmware update during activation, allow up to 15 minutes. And that's it about COX self-installation process. Your connection should now be established and your internet should be ready to use. If this video helps you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to appreciate our assistance, and of course, see you soon.